Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have live swatches on some of the MoonShine Mani and Painted Phalanges nail polishes for you. MoonShine Mani is releasing new polishes usually twice a month, and today I have some of the special releases for you. And Phoebe also sent me the polish from Painted Phalanges, which is part of the Office collection duo, and today I will be swatching this for you on my nails. So thank you so much, Phoebe, for sending me all of these polishes. I really do like them all, but my absolute favorite is this red polish from MoonShine Mani, and it's called Assistant Regional Manager. However, all of these polishes are absolutely stunning, and I would definitely recommend you purchasing any or all of these polishes. If you do like my review live swatch video, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I do hope you will enjoy the live swatches, and I will have everything for you also listed in the description box. All of these polishes will be available at MoonShine Mani's website, and they will be available starting February 28th. Some of these are limited edition polishes, and some of these will be available with no limitation, so definitely check out the information in the description box. Alright, now I will jump into the live swatches. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for all your support. Continue watching until the end, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.